This is my 1961 Gravely. As I was pulling out of my driveway last week, a gentleman went by, had this on his trailer along with several implements just all piled on there. Kind of had the idea he might be scrapping it. So I chased him down, took me 4 blocks to catch him, and indeed he was taking it to the scrapyard. So I rescued this. I spent this last week cleaning it up and scraping her down, tuning it up, and I just finished it up here yesterday. So let me show you what I got here. Let me hit this starter once. As you can see, it starts real hard, but I think I can figure that out here in the next week or so. Let me just show you around here a little bit. I'm going to have some pictures of it working. I got a rotor tiller and a rotary plow and a 5-foot sickle bar, so I'm going to add to these videos. That's it for now.